Well guys, in this tutorial I'm telling you how to exactly use the Creati AI Photo Generator the right way. So you can do it from the application on your phone or from the website. The generally recommended method is of course the app. You can download it from the Google Play or App Store or use it through the website just like I said. Once logged in, go to the Photo Creator section. Alright, so after that guys, as you can see we can just press Generate Image. You can also read the description about how it works. In general, you just click on Generate Image. Let us just close that. And guys, as you can see right over here, you just have these very essential, of course, fields. You enter your prompt, basically what you want to create. For example, orange apple. I don't know why that came to my mind, but it doesn't really matter. It's just an example. Negative prompt. I suppose these are the words that you should exclude from the generated image. Now you also choose the width. I'm just going to choose the maximum. It's going to be square, as you can see. You can also press on plus to adjust other settings. I'm just going to leave this alone for now and just press on generate. As you can see, now I just have to verify through the captcha and now it's going to start generating. So you can also create something like, type in something like a futuristic city at sunset or something similar. As you can see, my orange apple is now created. And that's pretty much how to properly use Creati AI Photo Generator. If this helps, give it a like, this video, subscribe, and of course, check the description as well. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you.